It's All-Star Week in Philadelphia, and T-Mobile is bringing the heat. The T-Mobile Home Run Derby is streaming live on Netflix July 13th with the Midsummer Classic the following night on Fox. As baseball's best slug it out, automated balls and strikes will share the spotlight. T-Mobile and MLB are partnering to bring the latest tech innovation to the biggest game of the summer. And for all the T-Mobile members in Philly during All-Star Week, take advantage of Club Magenta on Monday and Tuesday, directly across from Citizens Bank Park. Enjoy talent meet and greets, Magenta Hour, and exclusive benefits you can only get as a T-Mobile member. Unlock your Magenta Pass in the T-Life app for access. This is America's pastime on America's best network. Find out how baseball hits different with T-Mobile at T-Mobile.com/MLB. Major League Baseball trademarks and copyrights are used with permission of Major League Baseball. Visit MLB.com. T-Mobile, best mobile network in the U.S. According to Ookla Speed Test, based on analysis by Ookla of Speed Test Intelligence data, 2/8/2025. Ookla trademarks used under license and reprinted with permission.
Evening. Buyer's remorse. Buy a new car? I'll be moving in. Let's get started.
Sorry, I think there's been a mistake. I bought it from Carvana.
You what?
Yeah, great price. I even have 7 days to love it or return it.
So there's no...
No buyer's remorse. More like buyer's rejoice.
I guess I'll let myself out. Congratulations. I mean it.
Buyer's rejoice. Buy your car today on Carvana.
Limitations and exclusions may apply. See our 7-day return policy at Carvana.com.
Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is Hot Internet Marketing Products, and we're looking today in the podcast at Paul Coleman's new product called the Publishing House Royalties Engine. And what you're going to like about it is two parts. First off, this is I think it's $17.97, so it's an $18 product. And what he puts together is the idea. He does, for just quickly to mention Paul Coleman, he does how to put together books, individual books, and you'll see this is very different. And I will mention that if you click from the podcast description, the link in there will take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You'll see the big introducing the Publishing House Royalties Engine. You can click that and boom, grab it for $17.97. The part that's going to blow you away is it's not based on making one book. It's based, this lady studied the algorithm and realized that the algorithm now loves longer series, like 10 books. So she designed a 10-book series, and it caught the attention of the algorithm, and Amazon literally did her book promotion for her. Lots of sales. And here's the part that's really, so I'm gonna skip ahead, is so she starts making these really big series. She ends up selling her content for $38 million. So I don't want you to think you're getting $38 million for doing nothing. I don't even want you to think that you're getting to make fortune off of selling, books. But I want you to look at the concept here, which is putting together everything you need for $17.97. And there's also an upgrade to unlock the algorithm, which is $12.97. So you look through that. You'll see a bit of a description when you click the product box. You can see these ones. They're showing like 10 series, romance, crime, sci-fi, and it loves longer book series because they're going to get the people who liked book 1 and also book 7. They're going to show them 1 through 10. They're going to continue to pop up. Hey, here's another one from Jimmy the book writer. And so that is the system to collect royalties. That's what this is set up. So I'm going to skip over the description of, hey, how everything goes. You can click the link and come. And so when you come to the site, you'll see, there we go. So here's what this means for you. Series by series, not book by book, series by series. And you're going to continue to add series of books. And so one idea turns into an entire world that readers can't wait to revisit. Think of Lord of the Rings. So it's not just one, you keep going in the same series. Build a publishing business instead of gambling everything on one lonely book. Create connected series that become stronger with every new release. Never wondered what to write next? The roadmap keeps unfolding naturally, and you can transform isolated books into an expanding catalog where every title strengthens the next. So there's a whole description of how everything works. I'm going to let you click through. $18, another $12. We call it $30 for the whole package. This will show you where to go, how to put it together, and you can have an AI-powered publishing team working behind the scenes, helping you develop ideas, connecting your books, strengthening your series, planning years ahead while you focus on the fun part, dreaming, creating, building worlds. So now an entire publishing company comes out of one great idea. So click the link and go check it out. It is called the Publishing House Royalties Engine, about $30 for both parts to it. Click the link and go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. If you like the idea of not just selling one book, but selling 10 books and intertwining the people who are interested in each of the individual books all together so that they can buy all the books or as many of them as they are ready to buy, go check this out. It's a great idea. Paul Coleman does all these individual ones. This is a whole series of 10 at a shot. You're going to love it. Click the link and go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.